Hey yo, we just hit 150 subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. Hello everyone and welcome to Newstown Mini. I'm your host Harris and today we got some juicy news. Let's get started. Yes, the long-awaited and very rumored Xiaomi Redmi Pad is officially here in India. Wow! After a long teaser campaign, Xiaomi India finally announced its new Redmi Pad tablet. And yeah, this will be a first in the Redmi lineup and it brings compelling specs with competitive pricing. As you can see from the design, it looks pretty good for a budget tablet. Sleek flat sides and back featuring 3 nice colors, decently sized bezels, and a big camera bump on the corner. For the screen, it's a 10.6-inch LCD display with a 1200 by 2000 pixel resolution and 90 Hz refresh rate. Not only that, full speakers with Dolby Atmos tuning is also there, and it will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. For the storage, it will have up to 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. For the cameras, there's only one 8-megapixel camera on the back and one more on the front with 105 degrees field of view and focus frame, which tracks your movement during video calls just like center stage. Also, it packs an 8000 mAh battery with only 18 watt charging, a bit slow, but it will run Android 12 with MIUI 13 and a guaranteed 3 years of software support and 2 Android version updates. Lastly, the price. The base model of 364 will be around $150, while the maxed out 6128 will be $250. Pretty good. Brace yourself. Bonus news! This is what I'm talking about. Yes, you can finally edit your tweets in Twitter as long as you're a Twitter Blue subscriber. Yet, over the course of last month, Twitter has internally tested the tweet edit function, and now it's finally live only if you're a subscriber to Twitter Blue. But that's not all. Currently, editing tweets will only be available in Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, with the US coming very soon. Sadly, no info yet if it will come to everyone, but hey, you can check out this feature right now. It even got an added history, very good. Just like this one, as Fallout 76 is now free this whole week to celebrate a big series birthday. The original Fallout was released on October 10, 1997, almost 25 years ago. And that's a really big milestone. So to mark the moment, Bethesda is, among other things, making Fallout 76 free for the week. So from October 4th to 11, this game will be free to play on all of its current platforms. Not only that, Prime Gaming subscribers can also get the Fallout 76 The Pair for free on PC right now, set to expire on November 1st, and Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscribers can also grab a free month of Fallout First through Xbox Game Pass perks. Hey, pretty big event with some other cool stuff and a live stream coming up on the 7th. Alright, the tech news are sadly over. So you gotta come back on Friday for more juicy tech news like this one and subscribe so you won't miss it. Okay, see ya.